Welcome to Chima Herbal Spiritual TV, where spirituality is our watchword. Please consider subscribing, like our videos, share our videos, and comment on the comment section. Good day, wonderful people, and welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. I really appreciate you for being here. My name is Brother Chima, and I am a spiritualist. In today's video, I want to share with us a recipe that you can use to open your ways, to remove negative energies, to remove evil eyes, to remove any kind of blockages, making things not work for you, be it financially and otherwise. All you need to do is to make sure that you watch this video to the end. Don't touch that dime. And for those of you who are just joining us for the very first time, you are highly welcome. You are welcome back to Chima Matter Spiritual TV. On this channel, it's all about spirituality. We share spiritual tips, spiritual recipe, spiritual remedies, spiritual messages, messages that will draw you closer to God, messages that will help you to defeat your enemies, messages that will help you to solve your spiritual problem using the power of God Almighty, the power of the universe, and the power of my father's deities and ancestors in manifesting our spiritual tips on here. Also using natural ingredients, natural resources, natural plants, natural roots, natural herbs that God has created, harnessing their spiritual energies, frequencies, and vibration. So if you are just joining us for the very first time, please do me a favor by subscribing to the red button down below this video to become a bona fide member of this channel. Turn the notification bell to all so that whenever I post a video like this, you will get notified. Like my videos, comment on my comment section, share my videos, give them a thumbs up. And as you do this, may God bless you. And for those of you who are my bona fide subscribers, my day one gang, my returning viewers, you know who you are. Those of you who has been supporting me in money and in kind. Those of you who has been calling me on the phone to testify. Those of you who has been patronizing me, buying my spiritual materials. I pray for you that it is well with your soul. Without wasting your time, I want to talk about things you can do if things are not working well for you. Mainly, how you can use these natural spiritual materials to remove negative energies, to remove evil eyes. Most of us are not progressing today because of a lot of negative energies, because of a lot of evil eyes, because of a lot of evil things around us. Remember, when you have a negative energies around you, nothing good comes your way. It's like when you are wearing a dirty clothes, or when you finish taking your bath and wear a dirty clothes. Yes, when you have a lot of negative energies, no matter how you pray, no matter the spiritual work you do, if you don't break the yoke of negative energies that is making things not to work for you, believe you me, even if you do 100 days fasting and prayers, it's not going to work. Yes, I am not against fasting and praying, no, but the spiritual control the physical realm. When you pray, and nothing happens, you have to do the spiritual exercise. Yes. If you have a problem, you should concentrate on how you are going to solve your spiritual problem, on how you are going to pray for God to solve your spiritual problem. And that is why we are here, to help you to solve your spiritual problem. If your problem is foundational issues, whenever you are praying, pray against foundational issues. Don't pray for open doors. Don't pray for financial favor. When you know you have a foundational problem, you pray for God to deliver you from that foundational problem. If you break that yoke, that foundational causes, that foundational problem that is following you, if you break the yoke, you will see financial doors will be open for you. You won't be the one to pray for open doors. You won't be the one to pray for financial open doors. Yes. If you are the environment that your spiritual life is dirty, there is no how you will see favor. All you need to do is to do cleansing, to remove every negative energies that is making you not to attract good things. You can use this particular cleansing to attract good things into your life. You will attract good health. You will attract prosperity. You will attract every good thing that God has ordained with you. This recipe is going to remove negative energy. All you need to get from me is this spiritual material that has the potential to drive away evil forces, to drive away disappointment, to drive away wretchedness, to drive away blockages, to drive away negative energies. I am not talking about any other materials, any other spiritual fruit or spice than cloves. I am talking about cloves. I have done a lot of video on this channel with cloves. Cloves helps you to drive away negative energy. Cloves cleanses the body, the spirit, the mind, and the soul. So for this recipe, all we'll be needing is your clove. Another item that you will be needing on this recipe is none other items that also drive away negative energy, that can destroy the walls of the enemies. Yes, this particular recipe will help you to remove negative energy and blockages. Another item you will be needing is garlic. Garlic is very powerful to fight any kind of spiritual battle, be it ancestral curses, be it witchcraft. Yes, garlic is very powerful. Likewise, clove. Clove is very powerful to liberate yourself from every evil that is holding you, to wash away negative forces that is bringing you down. When you combine the spiritual power energies of garlic and clove, it's going to help you to remove any kind of cause. It's going to help you to remove any kind of stagnation. It's going to help you to return every evil back to sender. So what we are going to be using is garlic, clove. Another items you are going to be using is sugar. The reason why you are going to be using sugar is to attract good thing. You know, wherever there is sugar, there is ant there. Sugar attracts good thing. The law of attraction. The reason why we are going to add sugar is for attraction, is for open doors, is for favor, is for love. So we are going to be using this spiritual material, three spiritual material, sugar, garlic, and clove, in order to remove away negative energy. Anything that is not making us to make it. This is going to attract good luck to our life. First thing you are going to do, look at how you are going to do this. Every early in the morning, you are going to take your clove. You either blend your clove or pound it in powdered form, or you soak it inside the water. Yes. And the garlic, you have to have the powdered garlic. Or if you don't have the powdered garlic, you can bring out 3 cloves or 4 cloves of garlic. Then blend it. Yes. You blend it. You get 18 spoons of sugar. Are you listening? If you are using a powdered garlic, you have to get 1 spoon of powdered garlic. If you are using a raw garlic, you are going to crush 4 seeds of garlic. But if you are using the powder, use the 1 spoon of powder. Remember, before spiritual work will work for you, you need to pray your way out. If you want this to work for you, you are going to pray your way out. How are you going to be mixing this? You are going to mix clove, garlic, and sugar. And you are going to tell God to remove every forces that is after your life, that is making you not to prosper, that is making you not things not to work the way they are supposed to work, that is bringing setbackness, backwardness to your life. You are looking for money to start business. You are doing business and it's not working. You are married, you don't have children. You are living, you don't have a job. Your husband don't have anything to do. Tell God to remove those evil forces, those negative energies, those causes, those forces that is after your life, after your family, after your children, after your business, those things that is making things not to work for you. That once you use this garlic, clove, and sugar, you want God to remove everything that is making things not to work in your life. And as you add sugar to it, you are using it to sweeten your life. Let your life become sweetener. Let there be favor. Let there be connection. Let God use this recipe to remove every negative energy after your health that is making you to spend every kobo that you have. Yes. Let me tell you, this recipe is going to help you to open doors. It's going to help you to remove negative energy. Yes. How you are going to use it is 1 spoon of garlic in the morning. Then you crush your clove. If you don't have the clove powder, crush your clove to powder. You use 1 spoon of garlic, 1 teaspoon of clove, 1 teaspoon of sugar. Add it inside your bathing water. As early as 6 a.m., when you wake up in the morning, use this water to make your prayers and call God to come and remove every obstacle, every blockages, every disappointment, every failure, every enchantment, every cause making you not to make it. With the power that garlic clove possesses and the power that clove possesses and the power of sugar that bring attraction, you are using it to remove negative energy, and you are bringing attraction of good health, attraction of prosperity, connection, favor, open doors to your life, and so shall it be. Go and try this garlic clove sugar recipe and come back with your testimony. At this junction, I have come to the end of this video. If you do not understand my explanation, please don't hesitate to put it on the comment section or chat me on WhatsApp for me to explain to you more. I am rushing my tips on here because of time. Most of you, those of you that are complaining for time, I have come to the end of this video. Go and practice this cleansing and come back with your testimony. And if you have never subscribed to my channel yet, do me a favor, subscribe to the red button down below this video on your right hand side. Turn the notification bell to all so that whenever I post a video, you will get notified. Like my videos, share my videos, comment on the comment section, and God bless you. See you in my next video. Bye for now.